don't know about you, but I don't have $5,000 for a bag. Not in this economy. Hey everyone, Dev Walker here, and welcome back to my channel. Give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy travel, lifestyle, and fashion videos. I am back with another video. Today we have a new in luxury designer bag unboxing, and if you cannot tell, I am so excited for this bag, and it's been on my wish list for quite some time, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. So very quick, I'm just home in my house as always. This pink shirt, oversized shirt, is from Zara. The pants are also old from Zara. My earrings and bangle are Koi, and my new lip combo that I am absolutely in love with is the MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. That's a tried and true. The MAC lipstick in the shade Warm Teddy. MAC is now in Sephora now. If you don't know now, you know. And the lip gloss on top is by Pat McGrath in the shade Prima Donna. Got that out the way. Let's get into unboxing my brand new bag. Now, if you've been following and you saw my recent 2026 luxury wish list, then you should know exactly what this is just by looking at the box. I finally got my hands on something I've been wanting for a while now, and it is the Christian Dior Saddle Bag. I cannot wait to show it to y'all. Let's get right into it, because some of these girls take forever with unboxing this stuff, but we don't do that here. I'm a New Yorker and I lack patience just like the rest of y'all. So here is the bag. Oh, get into that color. Get into that. Oh my God. Listen, I'm in love. I am literally in love. Look at the yellow. Is just, and I don't have a yellow bag, and it's like the perfect like yellow, and it just screams spring and summer. I cannot wait to wear this, y'all. So let's get into the details. Now, when we do an unboxing, you know I always have to bring you guys in a bit closer just so you can see the level of greatness and why I love this bag. So first things first, I did get this from The RealReal. Like I said I would in a previous video, I did not want to pay retail for one of these saddle bags, y'all. This bag currently retails for $4,600 plus tax, making it $5,000. I don't have $5,000 for a bag. I don't know about you, but I don't have $5,000 for a bag. Not in this economy. So I went on over to The RealReal, who actually sponsored my recent Instagram reel. So definitely check that out and show it some love, please. So yeah, this is the saddle bag. I got it from The RealReal. It is the standard size in the color yellow. It came with all of the works, which isn't really normal. Well, I'm not gonna say normal, but it's not very common for all items on The RealReal to come with their original boxes and dust bags. But I happen to have one that was in excellent condition according to their website, and yeah, it came with everything. So let's open her up. I'm just gonna give you guys my first thoughts on it. So we do have the long strap to make this bag a crossbody. So in previous years, the Dior Saddle Bag did not have a crossbody strap. So this is one of the newer bags, and it does. And I'm actually really happy about that, because at these price points, I need to wear it as many ways and as many styles as possible. So when I do open her up, there's still some tissue paper in there. And we also have a branded Dior envelope. And there's also a little booklet. Don't mind me, I got makeup on it because I'm destructive like that. And I think this is the care instructions in all the different languages. And then we also have a authenticity card with the Dior branding, and it's basically all of the hoopla on the back that says, "We certify that this article has been manufactured according to the most rigorous quality standards and in conformity with the image of our brand name." This is directly from Dior and not The RealReal. And on the inside, there's also a tag from The RealReal, which they include in all of their items, just basically saying that there's an expert behind. Wait, let me bring that a little closer for y'all. It just says, come on, camera. I paid too much for you to be acting like this. All right, there it is. It just basically says that an expert, you know, confirmed that this bag is authentic and it is a final sale and non-returnable. So, very first impressions of the bag, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was. I don't know what size I thought this bag would be, but this is the standard size. There is a standard size, a mini, and then there's a nano. I didn't realize the standard was big. This is actually a pretty big bag. I probably wouldn't even wear this for like an evening function. I would probably wear this like during the day to brunch or lunch or anything like that. But for some reason, I thought this bag was a lot smaller. It's not a bad thing. It's just something like, oh, this bag is a lot bigger. So when I open her up, let me take that envelope out. There is all of the space that is inside. And you see that zip closure there. I assume that is for, you know, ID, cards, cash, you know, just a separate little pocket, which we all love. If you can, well, I want to try to get you guys in there, but all right, so I had to change my angle a bit, but I just wanted to show you guys, like right at that zipper closure, you do have that Christian Dior branding that also says made in Italy. And I really just love, first of all, I'm obsessed with this color. I really wanted like a pop of color bag so that, you know, pretty much to make it, you know, stand out. It's a fun bag. I love the shape. My only con so far, I haven't worn it outside yet. I feel like this strap, the shoulder strap, could be just a tad bit longer because my arms are kind of big. So I would have liked for it to kind of hang just a little bit more, maybe like another 1.5 inches. But again, no big deal. I'm gonna still wear it. I'm gonna still love it. I'm gonna still live in it. But yeah, that's the first thing that I wish could be a little bit different. Other than that, I love the CD initials on each side. I love the D at the bottom. That's also yellow. D for Dev, even though it's really Dior, but I'm gonna say Dev because it's my bag. Now, let's get into the price, since this bag is pre-loved and very gently used, as you can tell, because there is absolutely no signs of wear on this bag compared to the previous Saint Laurent Sac de Jour bags that I compared in a previous YouTube video, which I will link down below in the description box. So this bag currently retails, like I said earlier, for $4,600. Once again, I was never, ever, ever paying that. So on the real, this bag came out to $3,300, which is still quite crazy, but it is also 30% off of retail price, and it is still practically a brand new bag with the box, with the dust bag, with the tissue paper, with the authenticity cards, with the care instructions, you know, with all of that to come with it, and for it to be in such excellent condition. If you ask me, this is a brand new bag. I don't care what nobody say. This is not pre-loved. I was the only owner. And a quick sidebar, once I saw this bag online in this website, the very first thing that I thought of was my new in shoes that I just shared with you guys in a recent luxury haul, which I will pull those out again. I'll link that haul down below in the description box if you happen to miss it. But my Christian Louboutin Miss Z Desert sandals, you see that yellow on the sandal, and the, y'all, these are going to go so crazy this summer. Don't play with me all summer 2026. Please pick somebody else because I'm not the one. Do you see this pairing? Do you see? Tell me you see the vision. Tell me you see the vision. And in the back, we also have a nice size flap where I can maybe fit, I don't know, a couple things in there if I wanted to. It is a pretty hefty bag. I'm gonna easily fit my iPhone 16 Pro Max very comfortably in there. As you can see, I still have some room, so if I wanted to just put, you know, my lipstick, lip gloss, you know, everything still closes very comfortably there. And y'all, I just can't stop looking at this color. You see how it pops on camera? Imagine in person and in real life. I cannot wait to wear this. Let me just give you one look at her with a moment of silence. Just look. Just look. Oh my God. She is beautiful. And usually with my backlights are very bright. They usually make a lot of my bags look really harsh, and they usually reflect very, very hard. But with this yellow, she is shining. She is shining like the sun, okay? So since I just got the bag literally yesterday, it's so crazy that the very first thing I thought was, I gotta show YouTube. I gotta show my YouTube family. So here is my new, we calling it brand new, even though it's from the real, my brand new Dior Saddle Bag in the color yellow. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you feeling this color? And give me some more ideas on how you think I should style this bag, because at this price point, I'm probably going to be living in it. Now, if you made it this far in the video, please give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you here on this side of the internet. Stay tuned for more luxury unboxings and all things travel, lifestyle, and fashion. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.